All right. Let's see what there is to see. Today, SPY was up 0.05%. We did squeak out another closing all-time high, and we're still in this bull trend, and we are likely still going to continue melting up while we have this bull trend. And all that means is we're at all-time highs with price above all the moving averages. All of the moving averages are positively sloping, and they're all stacked to favor the buyers and the bull trend. So there's no point trying to call a top here. We are reaching the time in the market where people will try to call tops. Just ignore them. If you are trading correctly, you are just riding this trend until the chart and the price tell us not to. And right now, in my opinion, that's as simple as staying bullish while SPY can hold above 598. If we can't hold above 598, things could start to be rolling over and we can react instantly and continue to move like water. So bull trend until it's not, and just continue to expect the new all-time high price targets between 606 and 608. And then if we exceed those, we can keep looking for higher prices, but it is a bull trend until it's not. So keep it very simple. On the NASDAQ 100 triple Qs, we were up 0.31% today, and we are doing exactly what is expected, which is this push higher towards 525. And today we did make another brand new all-time high, and we also did close at the brand new all-time high. So we are continuing to push higher. All of the moving averages are positively sloping, prices above all of them. We are in blue skies territory while we continue to close above 513 with that price target at 525. Keep it very simple and just simply stay bullish above 510. If we start to roll over, we'll see it in price and we can react immediately. And that's why I tell you, we'll just continue to move like water. It's a bull trend until it's not, so stay bullish until price tells us not to. And then over here on Bitcoin, we are still holding above the rising 20 daily moving average, so there's no reason to be bearish, but I do believe you should be aware of the risk. So while I do have an arrow going lower, I do acknowledge this is a bull trend, and this also could be forming a bull flag, and a bull flag simply means that we would really just go absolutely nowhere and just chop around within this range, and that is more than likely what could happen. But while that's happening, I do want you to be aware of the risk, which is a pullback towards 84,000. If I am wrong about this, that is completely fine. I'm not saying go short Bitcoin, but if you are long Bitcoin, be aware of that risk. And I don't believe the upside reward is worth the risk. So that is why I just don't suggest buying Bitcoin here. Do what you want. It's your money. Just be aware we could go to 84,000, and the acceleration of that move would be the breakdown below 91,800. So overall, we're in the last month of the trading year. Don't do anything to ruin your great trading year. We have absolutely crushed this market, and there's no way the market is going to catch up to us at this point. So we just need to close out the year on a high note. Next year is going to be a very exciting trading year. I'm looking forward to it already, and I already have lots of things that I think I see coming that are going to be very exciting for you traders, because I do believe it'll be a very volatile year. So if you want access to any of my services, all of that will be in the description and the comments below. And there is the Trade Alert service where you can get access to the exact percent allocations I have for either the TQQQ or the SQQQ, and you can follow along and trade with me. So thank you for watching, everybody. I hope you're crushing this market. And as always, I will see you in the next episode.